Today, my discussion for the informative speech will be on the history of makeup. Makeup can be seen as a beauty enhancer by many women, but to men, it can be viewed as a second face. Almost like women are hiding their natural beauty from the world. Whose opinion matters more though? The person wearing it or the person viewing it? Makeup wasn't always worn by everyone. It was only accepted for use with artists, models, or people within the show business. The way people have viewed makeup has evolved. It is now seen as artwork instead of a way of covering up a woman's insecurities. Wearing makeup started in the early 4000 BC by the Egyptian ladies who wanted to please their gods. They felt appearance mattered and increased their spiritual worth. What many women now refer to as eyeshadow, the early Egyptians called it mestiment. You can see our eyeshadows come in packets now, in all shapes you can find our eyeshadows. And the looks have gotten much bolder. It was made with a mixture of copper and lead ore. Blush in their time was made of red clay or ochre and water or animal fat on their cheeks. Lipstick was also animal fat on their lips. To remove their makeup at the end of the day, they didn't have baby wipes, which was presented here, or a makeup remover. Instead, according to Sealand 2014, they used a type of soap made from vegetable and animal oils and perfumes. After the early Egyptians, the use of makeup spread, and other people did it differently, such as China and Japan. These two countries used rice powder as makeup. Also, the use of henna dyes, which are normally used for temporary tattoos by the Indians, were used in their hair as a dye. The Chinese people also painted their fingernails to point out different social classes. In ancient Greece, foundation was white lead, and their blush was crushed cherries to color their cheeks. Foundations such as this liquid one that I now have, which back in the day was white lead. This, as you can see, it just sticks right on. It's almost like matte. Now, fast forwarding to modern times, the way we style our makeup and the products used to make these products have changed. The makeup companies do have guidelines followed by the Food and Drug Administration, and they decide whether to approve or deny the ingredients used. The main ingredients in most makeup formulas include an ingredient known as emulsifier, which is a chemical that makes oil and water mix. Also listed in the ingredients are preservatives. Makeup hasn't changed much because it still comes from plants, minerals, and animals. However, scientists have found ways to preserve and make it last longer. Application of makeup has drastically changed from the bold eyeshadow colors that are now used to the dull lipsticks. Before, lipstick was known to be one shade, a bright red, with the dark eyeshadow. In the early 1900s, the lips were made the main attraction of the look and presented aligned with sharp shapes. However, by the 1950s, the sharp shape was out and pouted lips were in. The same red shade. As for the same with eyeshadow, only minimal colors were used, but by the 1980s, they had pastel eyeshadow. The women who wore makeup preferred pale, powdered skin as well as stained lips. From there, women typically apply petroleum jelly or olive oil to their eyelids to create a glossy effect, and then enhance their eyelashes with dark henna. Still, they avoided making their lashes too thick. To tie everything together, women commonly plucked their eyebrows into slim shapes with a high arch and winged out edges. Some women even shaved their eyebrows entirely and drew thin lines with a pencil. Now, I will be showing you how makeup is done well, eyebrows and lips. I'll be showing you how they're done now compared to then. So first, let me just get a mirror from my phone. The eyebrow is not done thin anymore. It is, you can go to a beauty store and have your eyebrows trimmed to a certain beauty standard shape that everyone now has. And it first starts by you drawing out the shape on your eyebrow and then filling it in with a pencil. Instead of cutting your eyebrows right down to a different shape. And that's it. Now, eyebrows used to look like this. And now, they're much thicker. They arch still. And the line doesn't run all the way down to your eye. As for eyeshadow, those dull colors that we can see right here, colors have brightened. Lighter colors in this, however, this is the shade that I have. And you can see it goes on also easy. And it has a glittery effect. Also, lip gloss and lipstick. The look has changed from just being red. There are now different colors that can be applied to your lips, such as this one, which is Weekend Barbie by Anastasia. And many people do mix it with the dull colors that were once used, such as this. So I can outline my lips with the dark color and have the bright one on the inside, like this. So if you were to look at half of my face, then you would see that. Anyways, this is the ending of my presentation video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Thank you for watching.